Are you ready to test your knowledge about something no one wants to happen to them? It's getting pulled over by law enforcement. Maybe you're thinking, that'll never happen to me. But the truth is, it could happen to you. Knowing what to do makes all the difference so you can stay calm and safe throughout the stop and after. Think of this as your practice round before the real thing. By the end of our quiz, you'll feel prepared and confident if you ever see those dreaded red and blue flashing lights in your rearview mirror. Here's how we'll play. I'll give you real-life scenarios with multiple choice answers. Pick your answer, then I'll tell you the correct one and why that's the smart move. Ready? Let's start with question 1. Question 1. Lights, camera, action. You're cruising along, music on, maybe a little too loud, when you notice flashing red and blue lights behind you. What should you do? A. Stop in the middle of the roadway. B. Speed up to find a parking lot. C. Put on your right turn signal and look for a safe place to stop. D. Keep driving and text your parents to ask them what to do. The answer is C. Put your right turn signal on and look for a safe place to stop. Perfect. Just like that. The officer wants you to be safe too. Your signal shows you see them and you're looking for a safe spot to stop. Don't panic. Pull over as soon as you can to a safe location. Question 2. Location, location, location. You've signaled and you're looking for a place to pull over. Which spot should you choose? A. The left side of the highway. B. A wide, level shoulder on the right. C. The Starbucks drive-thru line. Always multitasking. D. Wherever has the best background for a selfie. B is correct. A wide, level shoulder on the right side of the road. Always go right, never left. You want somewhere wide and level, room for both your car and the officer's car. If you're unable to pull over right away due to heavy traffic or unsafe location, keep your right turn signal on. Slow down and stay right to get to a safe location as soon as possible. Don't block traffic when you stop. Question 3. Hands where I can see them. You've stopped safely and you're waiting for the officer to walk up. What should you do with your hands? A. Start digging around for your license. B. Keep them visible on the steering wheel. C. Touch up your makeup and fix your hair. D. Start filming a video for your social media story. The answer is B. Keep them visible on the steering wheel. This shows the officer you're not reaching for anything sketchy. Stay calm. Keep your hands where they can see them and wait for them to tell you what to do. Remember, the officer may come to the passenger side window or driver's side. It just depends on the officer and situation. Question 4. Paperwork, please. The officer asks for your documents. What 3 things do you need to have ready? A. License, registration, and proof of insurance. B. License, student ID, and your social handles. C. Registration, insurance, and your social security card. D. License, credit card, and a copy of your SAT scores. A is right. License, registration, and proof of insurance. No credit card needed. Keep them somewhere easy to reach. And here's a pro tip. Tell the officer what you're doing. I'm reaching into my glove box for my registration now. After asking for your documents, the officer will explain the reason for the stop and will give you instructions. Question 5. Communication breakdown. You're nervous and having trouble understanding what the officer is saying. What's your best move? A. Just nod and pretend you got it. B. Ask them to speak more slowly or repeat it. C. Get out of the car to hear better. D. Have them explain the situation to your mom on FaceTime. B is the smart choice. Ask them to speak more slowly and repeat their instructions. It's totally normal to be nervous, and officers know that. Just respectfully say, "Sorry, I'm a little nervous. Could you repeat that?" Or, "Could you speak a little slower?" They want to communicate clearly with you too. Remain calm, take a breath, and listen. If it's nighttime, don't be surprised if the officer uses additional lights. It's not to scare you, it's for their safety. Question 6. Keep your cool. The officer tells you why you were stopped, but you think they're wrong. What should you do? A. Argue with them right there. B. Bribe them with a bubble tea. C. Ask to call your parents immediately. D. Stay respectful and handle it in court later if needed. D is correct. Stay respectful and handle it in court later if needed. Every traffic stop has a different outcome based on the violation committed and the severity. The roadside isn't the place to practice your debate skills. Keep it respectful. Take the ticket if you get one. And remember, you can always challenge it later through the proper channels. Arguing with the officer never makes things better. Stay calm and respectful, no matter what. Question 7. Back to the road. The officer is done and walking back to their car. When should you start driving again? A. As soon as they leave. B. When you feel calm and it's safe to merge back into the flow of traffic. C. Only after you've uploaded the dashcam video to your YouTube channel. D. Wait exactly 2 minutes. B is the answer. When you feel calm and it's safe to merge. No rush here. Take a minute to breathe and get your head back together. Check your mirrors, signal, and merge when you're ready and it's safe. Congratulations! You've completed the Traffic Stop Safety Quiz. Let's review the key points that will help you stay safe and confident. Signal and find a safe spot. Keep hands visible. Have your documents ready, license, registration, and insurance. Communicate clearly. It's okay to ask for help. Stay courteous. Save your disagreements for court. Take your time, both during and after the stop. Remember, the goal of any traffic stop is safety, yours and the officers. Now you know what to expect and how to handle it with confidence. For more driver safety resources, visit zerofatalities.nv.com. Drive safe, stay informed, and remember, you've got this.